If you are looking for a good actually, scratch that. Okay, great. Scratch that too. Okay, incredible. Yep, that's the one. So if you are looking for an incredible tasting high protein pancake recipe with over 50 grams of protein, then this video is for you. Let's go. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a super simple homemade recipe that takes hardly a couple of minutes to make, and it tastes absolutely fantastic, and at the same time it's equally filling. So without wasting any more time, before we get started, as always, go ahead and that means subscribe, and let's jump into my kitchen. To make it, add 40 grams of old-fashioned oats into a blender, and first you would want to blend that up until it forms a fine flour. This makes blending rest of the ingredients easier. So then to that, add 1 large banana, 1 whole egg, 4 egg whites, 1 scoop of whey protein, I went with vanilla, and finally half teaspoon of baking soda. And once you've added all those ingredients, let's go ahead and blend it all up. After that, let's add 14 grams or 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. Feel free to add them here, or you can sprinkle them while making the pancakes. And finally, in a pan on medium flame, add the batter in small circles. And once you start noticing bubbles on the top, flip them and cook them for a few more seconds. And just like that, make rest of the pancakes, and there you go, your protein pancakes are ready. Now you can have them as is, or you can top them off with some strawberries along with some maple syrup if you'd like. I had the sugar-free maple syrup, so I topped them off with a bit of that. And there it is, a perfect protein-packed, super filling, delicious meal. And now moving on to the calories just for the protein pancakes. This is a total of about 605 calories, of which 70 grams are carbs, 12 grams are fat, and 54 grams are protein. And there you go, guys. You have the calories, you have the macros. Go ahead, make it, enjoy it, keep a track of the calories consumed, and continue to make all kinds of gains. That, if you ask me, is the true meaning of dieting. That, if you ask me, is the true meaning of sustainability. With meals like these, guys, trust me, it is a game changer. It will never ever feel like you're dieting, and that's how it should be. If you want to do this long term, if you want to make fitness a part of your lifestyle, you need to be enjoying what you eat, because that makes up almost 70% of your journey. So have meals like these, high protein meals, delicious meals, and you will reach your fitness goals. And with that, guys, we come to the end of this video. A short one, but nonetheless a good one, a good recipe. So do try it out. If you do, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.